Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the remarkable story of Zong Qinghou, the man who built Wahaha, one of China's largest beverage empires, from scratch. This isn't just a tale of business acumen, but a powerful reminder that anything is possible if you're willing to put in the work. Zong Qinghou started his journey as a factory worker, earning a meager wage. He wasn't born with a silver spoon, and like many of us, he had to hustle to make ends meet. His breakthrough moment came in the late 1980s when he began selling soda and ice cream from a bicycle cart. Imagine that, peddling beverages on the streets of Hangzhou, just trying to carve out a better life. It wasn't glamorous, but it was a start. And sometimes, that's all you need. A start. Zong's initial success wasn't overnight, but his commitment to quality and customer satisfaction began to pay off. Word spread, and soon he was making a name for himself in the local market. By the early 1990s, Zong took a bold step, founding Wahaha. Now, starting a business is never easy, but Zong's tenacity and vision set him apart. He understood that to grow, he needed to innovate. So he expanded his product line, adding new beverages and experimenting with different flavors. Zong's strategy was simple yet effective. Focus on quality, keep prices affordable, and always stay one step ahead of the competition. He reinvested his profits back into the business, scaling up operations and expanding distribution channels. His hands-on approach and willingness to adapt were key factors in Wahaha's success. But what really set Zong apart was his relentless drive. He didn't just sit back and enjoy the fruits of his labor. No, he kept pushing forward, always looking for the next opportunity. This mindset allowed Wahaha to not only survive, but thrive in an incredibly competitive market. By the late 1990s, Wahaha had become a household name in China. Zong's empire was built on sheer determination, hard work, and an unwavering commitment to his vision. Today, Wahaha is one of the largest beverage companies in the country, and Zong Qinghou is one of China's richest men. So what can we learn from Zong's journey? First, don't be afraid to start small. Every great empire begins with a single step. Second, always strive for quality. If your customers love your product, they'll keep coming back. And third, never stop innovating. The market is always changing, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial for long-term success. Zong Qinghou's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the spirit of entrepreneurship. It's a reminder that no matter where you start, you have the potential to achieve greatness. So, get out there, hustle hard, and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for watching, and stay inspired. Let's delve deeper into Zong's early life. Born in 1945 in Hangzhou, Zhejiang province, Zong faced numerous challenges from a young age. Growing up in post-war China, resources were scarce and opportunities were limited. Despite these hardships, Zong was determined to make something of himself. He attended school, but had to drop out at the age of 17 to support his family. Zong took on various jobs, from working in a salt factory to being a teacher's assistant. These experiences taught him the value of hard work and perseverance. His family's support was crucial during these formative years. His mother, in particular, played a significant role in shaping his work ethic and determination. In the late 1970s, China's economic reforms opened new doors for entrepreneurship. Zong seized this opportunity and started his first business venture. He began by selling milk and ice cream, which laid the foundation for his future success. As his business grew, Zong realized the importance of innovation and diversification. He constantly sought new ways to improve his products and services. His leadership style was hands-on, and he was deeply involved in every aspect of the business. Zong believed in the power of teamwork and collaboration. He mentored many young entrepreneurs, sharing his knowledge and experience. Beyond business, Zong is also known for his philanthropic efforts. He has donated millions to various causes, including education and healthcare. His contributions have had a significant impact on many communities. Over the years, Zong has received numerous awards and recognitions for his achievements. His legacy is not just in the business world, but also in the lives he has touched through his generosity. Looking ahead, Zong continues to innovate and expand his business empire. His vision for the future is to create a sustainable and socially responsible business. Zong often shares his advice with aspiring entrepreneurs. Stay focused, work hard, and never give up. His words continue to inspire countless individuals to pursue their dreams. Reflecting on his journey, Zong remains humble and grateful for the opportunities he has had. He never forgets his humble beginnings and the struggles he faced along the way. It's his perseverance and ability to overcome obstacles that have defined his success. Zong's impact on the beverage industry is undeniable. He has set new standards for quality and innovation. His influence has shaped the market and inspired many other entrepreneurs. Today, Wahaha's products are enjoyed by millions around the world. Zong's vision extends beyond China with plans for further global expansion. He has formed strategic partnerships and collaborations to drive this growth. Wahaha continues to launch innovative products that cater to changing consumer preferences. A significant part of this success is due to their robust research and development efforts. Zong's unwavering commitment to quality ensures that every product meets the highest standards. Customer satisfaction remains at the core of Wahaha's business philosophy. Their market strategy is designed to stay ahead of the competition and adapt to market trends. Sustainability is also a key focus, with eco-friendly initiatives being implemented across the company. Wahaha's corporate social responsibility efforts are aimed at giving back to society and making a positive impact. Zong's leadership continues to inspire future generations of entrepreneurs. His enduring legacy is a testament to what can be achieved with hard work, vision, and determination. From a factory worker to a beverage billionaire, Zong Qinghou's journey has come full circle. His message to all aspiring entrepreneurs is clear. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and success will follow. As we celebrate Zong's achievements, let's remember the lessons his journey teaches us. His story is an inspiration for all, reminding us that with perseverance and hard work, anything is possible. The future looks bright for Zong Qinghou and Wahaha, with endless possibilities on the horizon. His vision for the future is to continue growing, innovating, and making a positive impact on the world. So take a page from Zong's book. Work hard, stay focused, and never stop dreaming. Thanks for watching, and stay inspired. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating history bites. Until next time, keep exploring.